Hello everyone, welcome to this OriginPro complete course. In today's video, we will learn what is a OriginPro, why researcher and scientist use OriginPro, key features of OriginPro, what type of the data analysis can be performed, the real world applications of OriginPro. You are a student, a researcher, scientist, engineer and data analyst. This video will help you understand why OriginPro is one of the most powerful scientific graphing and data analysis softwares available today. So what is the OriginPro? So OriginPro is professional data analysis and graphing software developed by Origin Lab. So it's widely used by a researcher, scientists, engineers and students for the data visualization, statistical analysis, curve fitting, peak analysis, signal processing, scientific publications, quality graph creations. So OriginPro combines powerful statistical tool with advanced graphing capabilities, making it a popular choice in university, research institutes and industries worldwide. So why use a OriginPro? It's look some reasons why researcher perfect prefer to OriginPro. So easy to enterprise. The workspace based data entry, point and click analysis, interactive graph customizations and the publications quality graph for the professional scientific figures, journal ready plots and the high resolutions. So the advanced statistical tool for the descriptive statistics and the hypothesis testing, ANOVA and the regression analysis. Then automations for the templated and the batch processing, scripting support. Those features save the researcher a significant amount of the time during the data analysis and reporting. The main command of the OriginPro, when you open the OriginPro, will mainly work with workbook used for the strong and organizing data, similar to the Excel worksheet but the designed for the scientific data. The graph window using and create and the edit options. The matrix window used for the image and counter the data. The project explorer used to the manage all the file and analyze within a project. So understanding those a component of the first step toward the mastering the OriginPro. So what can you do with the OriginPro? Creating the scientific graph for the first one. So the OriginPro offer the more than the 100 graphs the type. Examples include the scatter plot, line plot, the bar plot and the column chart, the histogram, box plot, violin plot, then the bubble plot, heat map, counter plot, surface plot, reader chart and the waterfall plot. So the graph can be customized extensive for the publications purpose. So the second one for the perform the statistical analysis. The OriginPro provide the numerous the statistical tool, example for the mean, median, standard deviation, standard error, confidence interval, the correlation analysis, t-test, ANOVA, non-parametric test, survival analysis and the power analysis. The researcher can be analyze the experiment the data quality for the without coding So the curve fitting and the regressions for the third. The OriginPro is famous for the fitting the tool. You can perform for the linear regressions, binomial regressions, and exponential fitting, the logistic fitting, and non-linear curve fitting. Applications include the calibration curve, dose response studies, the growth curve, and the peak analysis for the fourth. The peak analysis is especially for use in the spectroscopy, the chromatography, the material science, and the chemistry research. The OriginPro can delete the peak automatically, remove the baselines, and fit multiple peaks. This is one of the most powerful feature of the OriginPro. And the fifth one for the signal processing. For the time series and the signal data OriginPro offered. The FFT analysis, the fitting, smoothing, and the correlations analysis. Those tool are the widely used in the engineering and the physics research. So the sixth one for the 3D data visualization. Then the OriginPro support for the 3D scatter plot, 3D surface plot, counter plot, and the counter map, then color mapping. Those visualization that help researcher understand the complex data set. Then the seventh one for the data import and export options for the file menu. So the OriginPro can be import from the data Excel, CSV, the text file, the databases, and the export options include for the PDF, PNG, TIFF, JPEG, EPS, the perfect for the journal publication and the presentations. Then the research field using the OriginPro. So the OriginPro is commonly used in the biology for the growth analysis, gene expression studies, and the biotechnology field for the enzyme kinase dose response analysis, and the chemistry used for the spectral analysis, peak fitting, and the environmental studies for the trending analysis and monitoring studies. Then the engineer field for the signal processing, experimental data analysis. Then the medical research for the clinical data analysis, survival analysis. So the variability make the OriginPro valuable across the many scientific disciplines. So what is the Origin and OriginPro? So the maybe the beginners to the ask for the Origin and what is the OriginPro. So the what is the difference between the Origin and OriginPro? The OriginPro provide for the basic graphing, the basic statistics, and the standard analysis tools only. And the OriginPro include the everything in Origin Plus. So the advanced statistics, multivariate analysis, survival analysis, and the advanced fitting, and the peak fitting, then the signal processing. For the researcher and the publications work, the OriginPro is generally for the preferred choice. So what you learn for this course in the OriginPro complete course, the interface for the overview, the data importing, the worksheet management, the basic graphs to advanced graphs, and the statistical analysis, regression and ANOVA analysis, peak analysis, curve fitting, and the how to export for the publications, quality graphing, creating, and the exporting the result. By end of this course, we will be able to analyze the data and create the professional scientific figure confidently. So the OriginPro is mostly used the powerful for the scientific graphing the data analysis tool. This is for the first video introduction to the what is the OriginPro. So and I published to the next video. We will explore the OriginPro interface and understand for the each component in the detail for the OriginPro. Then thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, the Statistics Bio 7, for the more OriginPro tutorial and the statistics content. I will see you in the next video for our OriginPro complete course.